How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the default browser in VS Code. So the simplest way to do this is to make that browser the default browser for your computer. So for example, let's go ahead and open up Chrome. And from here, you then want to find a specific setting in order to make this browser default. Normally, it's going to be inside setting. And then of course, we have the ability to make this browser the default one for our computer. But if you only want to edit the settings inside VS Code, the first thing that you want to do is to get the live server extension on the extensions tab. So click extensions, search for live server, and then install this specific extension right here. Now head over to setting. It's going to be this gear icon at the bottom of your screen, settings, and then type default browser or live server. So we have the live server setting custom browser. Click on it. And then I have multiple options since I've installed multiple browsers right here: Chrome, Firefox, private mode if you want to, and Microsoft Edge. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.